Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and I've done several videos on OneKey cryptocurrency hardware wallets. I've done unboxings and I've shown you how to set up the devices. But today I wanted to delve in some of the excellent features that are available in the OneKey family. Most of all, their OneKey software, which is a free open source piece of software that you can download and use even without owning one of their devices. Also, there is a new service called OneKey Sifu, which is a $79 one-on-one video conference that will walk you through setting up their products so that you can feel safe and confident using their products. So let me show you how some of these things work. So I'm here on the download page for the OneKey software, and as you can see, they make it for Mac, Windows, and Linux. There's also a mobile app, a browser extension, and a hardware bridge. And if you run over here to GitHub, you can see that all of the code is posted on GitHub. You can inspect the code. You can work on the code. You're actually free to download it and modify it as you see fit for your own personal use. So it is completely open source. And what's cool about this is that you can download it on any of these platforms and basically just use it as a standalone wallet. But it works so much better when you pair it with one of their devices, which I prefer. I always prefer to keep my private key offline on a hardware device. So let's take a look at the desktop version, which is my preferred version. You can launch it right from your Windows Start menu. And as you can see, it's very organized and appealing to the eye, easy to use. And it has several cool features. They've got a buy feature here. It gives you several cryptocurrencies that you can buy directly from within this interface. So for example, if I wanted to buy some Ethereum, I could click here. It would just launch this third-party payment processor and allow me to make my purchase. And you even have several to choose from here. So keep in mind, these are third-party payment processors, and you might have to provide some KYC information like personal information, ID documents, or selfies. But that's great because when you make a purchase, it goes right into your wallet, mitigates the risk of making transfer mistakes. You can also trade right from within the app. So if you click the trade button here, these trades are on-chain trades, so you would have to trade on the same chain. So for example, if I've got some Solana in my wallet, I can do swaps and trades using my Solana. Right? I could buy US dollar coin in Solana format or some other Solana token that I might like Jupiter. You can put in an amount and then do your swap. And notice here that they also give you the option of which provider you'd like to use. These are decentralized exchanges because you're doing on-chain swap. So you have a choice of which one to use. In this case, between Jupiter and Changelly. Yeah, most of these are EVM chains, but you can also swap on the Solana chain. Also, you have Bridge, which will allow you to swap tokens between chains. So for example, if I have Solana and I'd like to buy a little bit of Ethereum, I can do that as well. So if you wanted to go between chains, you would use the bridge. Similar to buys and swaps, you have a choice of which provider to use when you do these bridges. So all of this is built into the OneKey app. So I did want to go ahead and execute one of these so you can see the process on the device. This particular wallet that I'm using is based on my OneKey Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my device and enter my PIN. There we go. So I'll go ahead and execute by clicking bridge. All right, and then after it builds the order, we'll hit confirm. It's going to give us all the information here, so we want to check that over. We'll hit confirm here, and then notice we're going to have to confirm it on our device. Right, this is the security of a hardware wallet. All right, so we'll go ahead and hit continue here, and then slide to sign. You can refresh up here. You'll notice that some of the Solana went out, but we don't have the Ethereum yet, so just be patient. It does have to execute on Changely. They're going to do the swap, and then they'll send the Ethereum right back into your wallet. While we're waiting on that, I did want to also let you know that OneKey has recently introduced a new service called OneKey Sifu. For $79, you can get a one-on-one tech support session with an expert at OneKey, and they'll walk you through setting up your device. I have a lot of great videos on how to set up OneKey devices, but a lot of people need a little extra help and reassurance from an expert one-on-one. So for $79, you can't go wrong. It's a whole hour, and they'll make sure that you get your device set up properly. So you'll purchase it, you'll schedule it, and then you'll get that session where you can video chat with their expert and get your device set up. It's pretty cool. So I did want to point that out as well. So they support the independent types that might want to download and modify their software. They've got a lot of developer tools. And then they also have this great open source software that you can use standalone or in conjunction with one of your devices like I do. And as you can see, my swap went through and now I have Ethereum in my account. In addition to the normal wallet features like send and receive crypto, you've got this buy and trade that allows you to purchase cryptocurrency directly from within the OneKey app, or trade cryptocurrency either on-chain, between chains, or whatever you prefer. So it's a great app for managing your crypto and swapping and trading. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered.